Documenting assessment results, interpreting findings, and writing reports are crucial aspects of the assessment process in education, psychology, healthcare, and other fields. Here's a structured approach to each of these components. Documentation of assessment results. Record raw data. Begin by documenting the raw data collected during the assessment process. This may include scores from standardized tests, observations, checklists, interview responses, and other relevant information. Organize data. Organize the data systematically, grouping similar types of information together. Use clear headings, labels, and formatting to make the document easy to read and navigate. Include descriptive information. Provide descriptive information about the assessment context, including the date of assessment, setting, participants, and any other relevant details. Ensure accuracy. Verify the accuracy of the recorded data to minimize errors or discrepancies. Double-check calculations, transcription, and any manual scoring to ensure precision. Maintain confidentiality. Protect the confidentiality of assessment data by following established privacy protocols and ethical guidelines. Use pseudonyms or codes to anonymize individuals if necessary. Interpretation of assessment findings. Analyze data. Analyze the assessment data to identify patterns, trends, strengths, and areas of concern. Look for discrepancies or outliers that may require further investigation. Consider context. Consider the context in which the assessment was conducted, including environmental factors, cultural considerations, and individual differences among participants. Compare to norms. Compare the assessment results to relevant norms or benchmarks, such as standardized scores, developmental milestones, or expected performance levels for the population being assessed. Generate conclusions. Draw conclusions based on the analysis of the assessment data, highlighting key findings, significant observations, and implications for the individual or group being assessed. Provide recommendations. Offer recommendations based on the interpretation of assessment findings, suggesting strategies for intervention, support, or further evaluation as appropriate. Report writing. Structure the report. Organize the report in a clear, logical manner, with distinct sections for introduction, methods, results, interpretation, and recommendations. Summarize assessment process. Provide a brief overview of the assessment process, including the purpose, methods used, participants involved, and any limitations or constraints. Present findings. Present the assessment findings in a concise, objective manner, using tables, charts, graphs, or narrative descriptions as needed to illustrate key points. Interpret results. Interpret the assessment results in light of the individual's or group's characteristics, considering factors such as age, gender, cultural background, and developmental history. Offer recommendations. Offer practical recommendations based on the interpretation of assessment findings, addressing the individual's needs, strengths, challenges, and goals. Ensure clarity and readability. Write the report in clear, understandable language, avoiding jargon or technical terms that may be unfamiliar to the intended audience. Use plain language and provide explanations as needed to ensure clarity. Review and revise. Proofread the report carefully to check for errors, inconsistencies, or ambiguities. Revise as needed to improve clarity, coherence, and overall quality. By following these guidelines, professionals can effectively document assessment results, interpret findings accurately, and write reports that provide valuable insights and recommendations for the individuals or groups being assessed.